Standing proudly on the shores of Hafrsfjord, Sverd, Fjell meaning swords in rock, is one of Stavanger's most iconic landmarks. The monument features 3 giant Viking swords, each carved from bronze and permanently set into the rock. It commemorates the historic Battle of Hafrsfjord, traditionally believed to have taken place around the year 872. With the calm waters of Hafrsfjord behind it, Sverd Fjell is more than a monument. It is a symbol of Norway's Viking heritage, unity, and lasting peace. Just a short drive away lies one of Norway's most charming treasures, Gamle Stavanger, or Old Stavanger. This charming neighborhood is home to around 170 beautifully preserved white wooden houses, most of which were built during the 18th and 19th centuries. As you stroll along its narrow cobblestone streets, you'll discover colorful flower gardens, quaint doorways, and peaceful lanes that feel frozen in time. What was once a modest working-class district has been carefully restored and protected, making Gamle Stavanger one of the largest and best preserved collections of wooden houses in Northern Europe. Every corner tells a story of Stavanger's rich maritime heritage and traditional Norwegian life. Whether you're exploring with a camera or simply taking in the peaceful atmosphere, Gamle Stavanger offers a timeless glimpse into Norway's cultural past and remains one of the city's most treasured landmarks.